Hi there, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. It's kind of a chilly afternoon here in the Carolinas, but my friends at StarKnight MT sent me this windshield cover to do a demonstration on. You know, if you leave your Ranger or Razor or your Kodiak or whatever vehicle you've got outside, overnight, you're going to get a nice coating of frost, ice, and it's just really a pain. Putting a windshield cover is going to prevent all of that. And this is a very straightforward install that just takes a couple minutes. Let's check it out. When you receive this product, it's in a nice plastic wrap with some moisture absorbent crystals. Don't eat those. But it comes in this really nice pouch that you're going to use to store it in the warmer months. So when we take it out, here's that nice pouch, which we're going to save. And then this is made of very heavy duty rubberized material with a nice seam around the outside. And these are the long straps that we're going to snap to each other. When we open it up, we can see that it's a very generous size, and on the inside it has a very soft lining so it won't scratch the windshield. Let's install this. So the first thing I did was just put it underneath the windshield wiper. Now if you don't have one, that's okay, but this is an easy way to start. Then we've got the straps on the inside, and as you can see, we've got the nameplate in the proper orientation over here. So I'm going to get inside and just snap the top straps together, and then the middle straps, and snug those up. And then we've got room for the lower strap. Now once the straps are in place, which was super fast, we're going to reposition this so it covers the entirety of the windscreen, the windshield. And if you want, you can just take that windshield wiper out, bring this up and over it, and bring it up like that. Look how nice that is. A perfect fit for this Ranger XP1000. So I'm very impressed with this. It's a very nice product, and is going to prevent you from dealing with icing problems, snow, sleet, all those issues. So hey, consider this. I'll leave a link to purchasing this. So let's take a close-up look at these straps. They're really nice clips with this, nylon strapping material with just the perfect length. We got enough to just pull it snug. So I'm inside the Ranger. Here's the top strap with that buckle, the middle strap, and the lower strap. Really easy to install, really a perfect length, not too much, but enough to give some laxity here to give it a pull. And I think it's going to do great. Good morning. You can see we've had a big frost last night. See the frost on everything here. Also, frost on the Ranger. Look at the frost on the lights, the hood, and everything. But let's see what it's like when we take this cover off. I think it's going to be pretty impressive. Frost on the doors, on the steering wheel, mirrors. All right, here we go. Let's take a look. Perfect. Perfect protection. The outside of the windshield is great. Notice there's no frost on the windshield, but there's just a little bit of moisture on the inside here, which will just take away and we'll be good to ride. If you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thank you.